what's up guys? So here is the Frost King window insulated shrink kit. So this is 9-pack. They do also have a 5-pack and a 3-pack, I think it is. So this is a 9-pack. So they are 42 inches wide and 62 inches tall. So the plastic is just like this, comes rolled up just like this. You get the size, you cut it the way you want it. You also get the double weight tape, a whole row of it. So low cost installation, so it stops the draft. So it's very easy to install, and you use your hair blower. So I installed it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks installed and give you a tip on how I put it and stuff like that. Okay, so take a walk over here. So this is my basement window. It was a little draft coming through here, and I checked it with the Flair tool, which will be in the description below. So once you put it on, so the way I did it is I put a double weight tape all the way up, all the way across, down. So I did the whole frame with the tape. You can see like right here. So once you do that, you put it on. So when you put it on, right now this is blow dried, so it's very, very nice. It looks beautiful. So also this side, I did the same thing. You can see that is very, very nice. So the same thing, I did it, go around and put the thing. I cut the plastic in half for the measurement that I pretty much needed. So okay, this one was done. So you can see it's still wrinkled. So I did not use the blow dryer yet. The same thing, I got it from the top, went around the whole frame, locked it in. So now this needs to be blow dried. So regular blow dry, put it on your highest heat, and you can see there, looks very wrinkled. See if I turn on the light part, you can see a little better. You can see it's very wrinkled. So we'll start blowing it and you'll see it getting fixed. It takes a couple minutes, and you can see here it's nice and hard already. So it looks just like that, very nice. And I can feel in the room that it is warmer than before, because I did have little drafts on the top corners like this. Need to replace these windows, but maybe for next year. But that's exactly how it looks. It looks very nice. You can see there, beautiful. Once you use your blow dryer, it looks beautiful. Very nice. Recommend those. It is the best.